August 1st, 2012 in West Ghent, New York, a fire erupted at TCI of New York, which is a PCB recycling processor. Mix of chemicals caused literally a huge tank to be thrown into the air about 200 feet from where the plant was initially burning. You could see the billowing black smoke coming from the plant. The state was supposedly monitoring the air over the course of the 24 hours that that fire was being extinguished. And the state has reassured everybody that everything is fine, that there was no pollution. The EPA gave staggering amounts of PCBs that were estimated to have been in that warehouse. And they said that some of the PCBs were non-hazardous and some were hazardous. The distinction between hazardous and non-hazardous only means something in the event of a spill. But when you incinerate PCBs and they turn into dioxin, those dioxins are a completely different chemical. They vaporize and they turn into dioxins and dibenzofurans, which are the most potent carcinogens known to man. They spread and then they come down. They come down in the dew, they come down in the rain. They go into the soil, they go into the ponds, they go into the reservoirs. They are carcinogens that have far more serious health effects at a far lower concentration. 30 parts per quadrillion of dioxin is considered acceptable in drinking water. 30 parts per quadrillion is a decimal point followed by 8 zeros and then a 3. Anything above that is a severe health hazard. The only way you can measure that level of dioxin is to do mass spectroscopy on the surrounding drinking water. And all the residents have heard from the state is there is no plan to do any further testing, period. Is it that they're worried what they might find? Is there a chance that there might be more than 30 parts per quadrillion of dioxin in the water, which, mind you, is only 25 miles away from the reservoirs that supply New York City's drinking water?